نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته everybody. So today we will be doing family 3 from the Big 8 families, and we did family 2 yesterday, so this is the next one in the group. And after family 4 we are going to study a little bit about these 3 families as a group. I forgot to mention this yesterday was that the Big 8 families, they are divided into 3 groups. The first group, group number 1, has F2 Allama, it has F3 Jahada, it has F4 Aslama. So these 3 families are put into one group. Now there are reasons for this. Inshallah, we will discuss them after we do family 4. Then group 2. Group 2 has 2 families. Family 5, Tafarraqa. Family 6, Ta'awana. Right? And then you have group 3. Group 3 has the remaining families. F7, Inqalaba. F8, Iqtaraba. And F10 is Istaghfara. So apart from understanding each family separately, we'll also analyze, after doing them separately, we'll analyze why they are grouped in one group. And this is a nice way to remember the families and remember the similarities that will help you organize the families in your mind. And then you can know, okay, F3 comes from group 1. Group 1 had this, this. So F3 must have this, this. So it will be easier to remember the rules, some rules that are exclusive to this group, and then inshallah it will make it easier for us to recognize the words. Okay. So out of the group 1, today we are doing F3, which is, and remember yesterday we discussed that 3 words of the surface saghir that we do, we have to memorize. There are no rules, they are set patterns. So we just need to memorize 3 words, not the whole surface saghir. Inshallah, by the time we go through all the families, I hope that we are familiar with how surface saghir works, so that if I give you a word and a family, you can do the whole surface saghir without memorizing it on your own through the processes, inshallah. So the 3 things that we need to memorize is Jahada, which is the active past tense. And this is the number 1 word in the surface saghir. Then you have the Yujahidu. This is the second word in the surface saghir. This is active present tense. Then you have Jihadan. Now this family is unique because it has 2 masdars. Mujahadatan. Right? So these 2 are the masdars that come from this family. So these are the 3rd category in the surface saghir. So for any family, in order to remember any family, these 3 first words of the first line, you have to keep in mind. You have to memorize this. There's no other way around it, right? And once you do, it will become second nature, because these are the names that we will use for the families. So if I say, okay, this word in the Quran, this came from Jahada family. Now, if you know the family and you know the word, then you can make any word. And similarly, you can then recognize it in the Quran as well, right? So jahada yujahidu jihadan wa mujahadatan. This is the part that we need to memorize and we need to keep in mind. And the reason behind this is that these two words are the sources for all the other words in the Sarf-e Saghir, which we are going to see now. So the first word is always active past tense. The second is active present tense, then the masdar. And then what comes after that? Can anybody tell me?
Isme file.
Exactly. Isme file comes. And can anybody tell me from which word do we make the isme file?
Active present tense.
Yes. So the first one word that is made is from the active present tense. It is the isme file. And the steps, so we will write the isme file here. Yujahidu, right? And then yujahidu. And what do we do? Can somebody tell me the steps? The first step we take to change this word into isme file.
We replace ya with me. Like
Exactly. We replace ya, the mudare letter, with
me.
meme and with a dhamma. This
Dhamma.
is very important, right? Because this tells us that this is a word from the big eight family. Otherwise, it might be from the small family as well, which we will see when we get there. So mu is the first change. So I replace you with mu. Okay. Then what is the second thing that needs to be there?
There should be in
Kasra on the
Ain letter.
N letter, N kalima. So ha is the N kalma, the middle letter, right? So the middle letter already has the kasra here. So we will leave it at that. And then number 3, add a tanween at the end. Mujahidun. So from yujahidu, what word do you get?
mujahidun.
Mujahidun, right? So this is our isme file. Mujahidun. Jahada yujahidu jihadan wa mujahadatan, and fahuwa mujahidun. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay. Then, so our first line is jihadan, sorry, jahada yujahidu jihadan wa mujahadatan, and we made the isme file mujahidun, right?
Hmm.
So this is the first line of the Sarf-e Saghir completed. This is the active line, as it is called active line. Why? Because the past and present are active. And from the active present tense, you get mujahidun isme file. So this line is called the active line, or the first line of the Sarf-e Saghir. Okay. Then which word comes? What is the fifth word in the Sarf-e Saghir?
Juhida.
Passive, past passive.
Yes. Past passive, exactly. And past passive is made from the past active,
Active, past.
right? So we write the word without the harakas, right? And we know that past passive, what is the past passive pattern?
Ui.
Ui.
Yes. O-E. Okay. So, U on the first letter, So Jim will have the Dhamma, right?
Hmm.
And Kasra on the
Ain kalma.
right. So he, and the last letter is remains the same. The Lam kalima remains the same. Okay. Now, can somebody read this as is? It
Because
will
of
be, yeah, it will be Ju'ahida. And UA and EU and all of these sounds, the Arabs don't like them at all. So what they did was, because of this Dhamma, they dropped the alif and changed it into
Wow.
wow. So Juhida is more close to the ui sound that we need for the past passive, right? Even if even if the Arabs had left this does not sound as ui. It would have sounded juahida, and that is not the past passive via sound. And we know that the recitation is as important as the written Arabic. So if someone recites in front of us, we should be able to know and form the words in our mind. So if I had said ju'ahida and that was used, the listener would not get it as a past passive because the past passive has the ui sound. So jahada became
Jo-
juhida. The alif was replaced by
Wow.
wow. That is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going to stop here, and we didn't do the conjugations. So we'll do the conjugations of the first line, and then we'll start again with this. So jahada, can somebody do the past, active past tense conjugation, please?
Okay. Jahada, jahada, jahadu, jahadat, jahadata, jahadna.
Hmm.
Jahadta, jahattuma, jahattum,
Mhm.
jahadti, jahattuma, jahattunna,
Mhm.
jahattu, jahadna.
Excellent. Jazakallah khair. Okay. And can somebody do the active present tense, fi'l mudare?
Yujahidu, yujahidani, yujahiduna,
Hmm.
tujahidu, tujahidani, yujahidna,
Hmm.
tujahidu, tujahidani, tujahiduna,
Hmm.
tujahidina, tujahidani, tujahidna,
Hmm.
ujahidu, nujahidu.
Excellent. Jazakallah khairan kathira. Okay. And jihadan wa mujahadatan, we haven't done the masdar conjugations yet, so we will leave it at that. Can somebody do the Muslim chart? Common.
Mujahidun, mujahidan, mujahidin, mujahidani,
Hmm.
mujahidaini, mujahidaini,
Hmm.
mujahidaini, yes.
Yeah.
Mujahidina, mujahidani.
No,
No,
mujahiduna.
sorry. Mujahiduna,
Yes.
mujahidina, mujahidina.
Yes.
Sorry.
Excellent. And the feminine one?
Mujahidatun,
Yes.
mujahidatan, mujahidatin.
Yes.
Mujahidatani,
Yes.
mujahidataini,
Mhm.
mujahidataini.
Excellent.
Mujahidatun, mujahidatin, mujahidatin.
Excellent. And can somebody do the proper chart?
Somebody's nothing I'll do. Nobody's doing?
Anyone?
I'll do it. Okay. You want to try, sister?
المجاهد
Mm-hmm.
المجاهدة المجاهدي المجاهدان المجاهدين المجاهدين المجاهدون المجاهدين المجاهدين المجاهدات 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 المجاهدتان
Okay, just a second. You were right in adding the mujahidat too, right? Now
Yeah.
there is no alif here, so you don't need to stretch this because then it will sound like mujahidatun,
Okay.
right? So
Mm-hmm.
this will be mujahidatu. Make it
Mm-hmm.
quick
Okay.
for the first line. Yes,
Okay.
al mujahida.
المجاهدة
Yes,
المجاهدة
excellent.
المجاهدة
Good.
المجاهدتان المجاهدتين المجاهدتين
Mhm.
المجاهدات المجاهدات المجاهدات.
Excellent. Okay, so just the stretching as we discussed yesterday, that will make the difference in the words that have alif and that don't have alif. Okay, Jazakallah khair. And now can somebody do the Muslim chart light?
Mujahidu, mujahida, mujahidi,
Hmm.
mujahida,
Hmm.
mujahidai, mujahidai,
Hmm.
mujahidu, mujahidi, mujahidi,
Hmm.
mujahidatun, sorry,
No, no, no.
mujahidatu,
Yes.
mujahidata, mujahidati,
Excellent.
mujahidata, mujahidatai, mujahidatai,
Excellent.
mujahidatu, mujahidati, mujahidati.
Yes. So just the noon sounds will drop and the rest will be the same. Jazakallah khair. So this is the conjugation that isme file of the surface agir follows the Muslim chart, common, proper, and light. So it follows the whole Muslim chart. Isme file and isme maful both. We will see when we get to the isme maful. Okay, can somebody do the conjugation for juhida?
جوهدا جوهدا جوهدوا جوهدت جوهدتا جوهدنا جوهدتا جوهدتما جوهدتم جوهدتي جوهدتما جوهدتن جوهدتو جوهدنا.
Excellent. Okay. So this is clear till here. Any questions in this regard?
Alhamdulillah, it is clear.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. So now we have the second line, Juhida, right? And what is our sixth word?
Present passive.
Yes, present passive. And how do we, from what word do we make the present passive?
Active present tense.
Yes. So we will write the active present tense first. So it is yujahidu, right? And we want to make present passive. What is the pattern of present passive?
Who are.
Who are.
Yes. So
You
now because we are doing present, so our first rule will be the dhamma on the
first
mudare
Yeah.
letter,
مضارع.
right? Because in the past we don't have any letters in the beginning, so we will just make the first letter in the past tense as with a dhamma. But here, because the first letter in the present tense is always the mudare letter, so that why we will say that the mudare letter has to have a dhamma on it. Now here in this group, we already have it in the active, so you don't need to change it. So we will do it. We'll write the word without the haraka. So the first one already has a dhamma, so we will copy it down. Okay, then number 2, what is the haraka on the end kalma?
فتحة
Yes, we have to have fatha on the
عين
end kalma. And what is the end kalma here?
ها
Ha is the end kalma. It has a kasra. So we have to make this into a fatha. And similarly, number 3, the lam kalma
Mm.
remains the same.
Same. Do.
So the rest of it will be the same. The harakas, we won't change the harakas on any other letter. So from yujahidu, what did you get?
Yujahadu.
Yujahadu. Exactly. So can somebody do the conjugation for yujahadu?
Okay. Yujahadu, yujahadani, yujahaduna,
Hmm.
tujahadu, tujahadani, yujahadna,
Hmm.
tujahadani, tujahaduna,
Hmm.
tujahidina, tujahadani, tujahadna,
Excellent.
nujahadu.
Exactly. Jazakallah khair. So it will be ujahadu and mujahadu. It's excellent. So this is the conjugation, and this is the method that we will use to make any active present tense into a past present tense. And this method is the same for all of the families. So passive in the big 8 families and the small 6 families follows the same rules, right? So if you learn this process, then you can make literally any word in Arabic from active to passive. Okay. So our 5th word was juhida. 6th word was yujahadu. Yes, the 7th is the masdar repeated. So it will be jihadaw, mujahadatan. This we have to memorize. There is no rule to this. And what is the 8th word?
Ism maf'ul.
Ismi maf'ul. And ismi maf'ul, what word would we use to form the ismi maf'ul?
Present.
Passive.
Yeah, past.
Yes,
No,
present passive,
present passive. Yes.
right? Not the past, the present
Yeah.
passive, right? So we will write the yujahadu, the present passive form that we have, yujahadu. Okay. So can somebody walk me through the steps that we have to take to make to form this maf'ul?
Yeah. Start with mu. Replace you with mu.
Mudare letter.
Replace the mudare letter with mu.
Me.
And dhamma is very important, right?
Yes.
Number 2, and then
And the last then yeah. Fatha on the ain kalima.
yes, right? And this is the only difference between isme fa'il and isme maf'ul.
Yes.
Isme fa'il has the kasra on the end kalma. Isme maf'ul will always have, for the big 8 families, will always have a fatha on the end kalma, right? So ha is our end kalma in this. So it already has a fatha, so we will keep it the same. And the number 3, lam kalma, will remain the same.
That has tanween.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Jazakallah khair. Yes, I completely went into another word. So lam kalima
We'll have a tanween dam.
will have a tanween. Excellent. Jazakallah khair. To make it an ism, right? We do this to make it an ism. So it will be mujahadun. Okay. So because this is ism maf'ul, it follows the Muslim chart. So the Muslim chart: common, proper, and light.
Right.
Okay. Can somebody do the common?
Mujahadun, mujahadin.
Mujahadan, mujahadin,
Yes.
mujahadani, mujahadaini, mujahadaini,
Hmm.
mujahaduna, mujahadina, mujahadina.
And the feminine?
Feminine, mujahadatun, mujahadatan, mujahadatin, mujahadatai, mujahadataini, mujahadataini, mujahadatun, mujahadatin, mujahadatin.
Excellent. And can somebody do the proper?
Al mujahadu, المجاهد 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 المجاهدة المجاهدي
Hmm.
المجاهدان المجاهدين المجاهدين
Excellent.
المجاهدون المجاهدين المجاهدين
Excellent.
آه،
Feminine.
المجاهدة المجاهدة المجاهدة
Ta
المج-
and then T.
then المجاهدتان المجاهدتين المجاهدتين المجاهدات المجاهدات المجاهدات
Excellent. Jazakallah khair. And the light? Yes.
المجاهد
No,
Sorry.
light. Light won't
Mujah-
have a.
مجاهد مجاهدة مجاهدي مجاهدة مجاهدي مجاهدي مجاهدو مجاهدي مجاهدي feminine
Yeah. Mhm.
مجاهدة مجاهدتا مجاهدتي مجاهدتا مجاهدتي مجاهدتي مجاهدات مجاهداتي مجاهداتي.
Excellent, excellent. Jazakallahu khairan kathiran kathira. So the ism maf'ul, like the ism fa'il, excuse me, always follows the Muslim chart, the whole Muslim chart, common, proper, and light, and all of the words. Okay. Jazakallahu khair. So our second line has ended. So first line was jahada, yujahidu, jihadan, wa mujahadatan, fahuwa mujahidun. That's my file with the kasra, right? So it will be mujahidun. Then our second, this was the active line. Then our passive line was juhida, yujahadu. So this is the difference between passive, present, and active. Then you have jihadan, which is the same, mujahadatan, and we made the ism maf'ul, fahuwa mujahadun. Right? So half of our surface agir, more than half actually, has been, alhamdulillah, done. Now, what is the ninth word in the surface agir?
Fail Amar.
Yes. Wal amru minhu.
Jahid.
Now, how do we make amar? From what word would we make amar?
Active present. Active present.
Active present tense. So yujahidu. Okay. Now what will we do?
Replace ya with ta.
Exactly. We will do tujahidu. We will make it the second person because we know that fail amar can only be done with
Second person.
right? Okay. So tujahidu. Then
Remove
lightest.
and make it lightest.
yes, first we will make it lightest, tujahid.
And then
Then
remove ta.
okay, is this readable?
Yes.
Yes, we can read jahid easily. So now we don't need the helper alif. So this will be our
Fail
fail
Amar.
amar for the F3 family. Can somebody do the jahid conjugation, fail amar conjugation?
Jahid, jahida, jahidu,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
jahidi,
Mm-hmm.
jahidna.
Yes, Jahida and Jahidana. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. So this is the Fele Amar. We only have the 6 words because we only use the second person for the Fele Amar. We can only forbid someone who is in front of us. Any questions in this?
No, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so this is the process that we will follow for all fi'l amr, right? First we take the second person, then we make it lightest, then we remove the ta, and if it's readable, then we have the fi'l amr. If it's not, then the helper alif comes in. One thing to note is that the group 1 families, they don't need the helper alif, right? So inshallah, after F4, when we see the group in detail, we will see this, that all of the families in the group 1, including Allama, Jahada, and Aslama, they don't take the helper alif in Fele Amar. So this is something common in these 3 families, right? Okay. Now, what is the 10th word in the surface Saghir?
Forbidding.
فعل
Yes.
نهي.
وَالنَّهِيُ عَنْهُ is how we write the surface Saghir. This is the forbidding fail. And what is the word that we make the forbidding fail from?
Active present tense.
Yes. So you see, if you know the active past tense, you will know the passive past tense from that. The rest of the words in the whole surface Saghir are basically coming from what? The active present tense. So if you know the active past and present tense in a surface Saghir, you will be able to make all of the other words if you know the method, right? Okay, so what was the active present tense? It was yujahidu. What is the process of making the forbidding fail?
Replace ya with ta.
Yes, so it's the second person, tujahidu.
Make it latest.
Yes. Tujahid. And then
Add la.
Add
la tujahid. And because we have started negation today, what la is this? Is it la nafia or la nahiya?
لا ناهية.
La.
Yes, this is the forbidding la, which is called nahiya, right? That's why we call this fail nahi, because this la is nahi, nahiya makes fail nahi,
نهي.
which is your forbidding fail, right? Okay. Can somebody do the conjugation for the forbidding?
لا تجاهد لا تجاهدا لا
Mhm,
تجاهدوا
mhm,
لا تجاهدي لا تجاهدا لا
mhm.
تجاهدنا.
Excellent. La tujahidu. Then you have la tujahidi. Everything. And the noons just drop. La tujahida. And la tujahidna. Right? Okay. Excellent. So this is the methodology. Second person, we'll start with second person, make it lightest, add la. These are the only 3 steps for forbidding fails, and they are the same for all the families, right? So if you learn the method once, you can apply it everywhere. Okay. And then what is the last word?
The
zarf.
Yes. Ism zarf. وَالظَّرْفُ مِنْهُ. Now, in the big 8 families,
since it is the same
yes, isme zarf is the same as
isme maf'ul.
exactly maful. So our isme maful was mujahadun. So this will be our isme zarf as well. but we haven't done the conjugations for ism zarf. So we will just leave it at that. Inshallah, when Ustad explains it more further, then we can look into that. So in this way, your whole surface Saghir is done. And we did not have to memorize, we made the words through the processes. So these are the small processes that Ustad wants us to learn, so that we are not in a way slave to our memory, which of course can make mistakes anytime. With the methodology, you will be able to form words in all of the of any word in all of the families. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take one word which we have been doing a lot in our Quranic examples too, which comes from this, and it is qatala, right? Now you see the family marker F3, family marker.
Alif.
Yes.
Fakalma.
Exactly, because if we open this word, we write the letters. So qaf, ta, and la are root letters, core root letters, right? In the small 6 families. So when you add an extra letter, this is the alif after the fa kalma. So you add alif after the
Fakalma.
fa kalima. So this is the family marker for
Family
Jahad.
three.
family 3, right? All of the words will have this marker, this alif, extra alif after the fa kalma, and that's how we will recognize the family. Okay, and because this is the extra letter, that's why it is a big 8 family, because big 8 families will always have extra
More.
letters other than the 3 core root letters, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now we will do the conjugation with qatala. Sorry, the surface saghir with qatala. We will do the conjugations alongside, and then we will make the whole surface saghir, inshallah.
Okay.
So qatala is like jahada, right? What will be the present tense?
Yuqatilu.
Yes, yuqatilu on the pattern of yujahidu. You have a u, dhamma. The madare letter will always have a dhamma in family 3. And then you have the fa kalma and the alif after the fa kalma. So this is family 3. This is the marker in the present tense. So it will be yuqatilu. Okay, and what will be the masdar?
Qitalan wa qatan.
Yes, it will match or rhyme. Jihadan, it will be qitalan wa muqatalatan. Exactly. Mujahadatan will become muqatalatan. So you are not doing anything except changing the letters. The mold of the word will remain the same. And once you know, and once you've like drank it in, you will always recognize the family just by looking at the word, inshallah. So qatala yuqatilu qitalan wa muqatalatan. Again, you have the 4th word as isme file. So from yuqatilu, what will be the isme file?
Muqatilu.
Yes, you change the u with mu. The rest remains the same. The an kalma will have the kasra because there's already a kasra here, so it will remain the same, and tanween at the end to make it an ism. So it will be muqatilun, which sounds exactly like mujahidun, right? So it will sound similar. The harakas will be similar, will be the same, and that's how we will know the family as well. Okay, so this is our active line. Our active line is done. Now we go to the passive line. So qatala What
Kutila.
is the OE sound in the past passive? Right. So it will be
Kutila.
right. And if you have an alif in the
Mm.
family, in the past passive, it will change into wow.
Mm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Here and then when we do family 6, ta'awana, that changes into tu'uvina. That alif also changes into wow in the past passive, right?
Mm.
So inshallah we'll do that when we get there. So this is
Mm.
qutila.
Mm.
Again, I forgot to do the conjugation after every word. I'm sorry. Can somebody do qatala conjugation, please? Past tense.
Okay. Qatala, qatala, qatalu,
Hmm.
qatalat, qatalata, qatalna,
Excellent.
qatalta, qataltuma, qataltum, qatalti, qataltuma, qataltunna, qataltu, qatalna.
Excellent. Jazakallahu khair. Can somebody do yuqatilu mudare?
Okay.
Yuqatilu. Sorry, go ahead.
Qatilani, yuqatiluna, tuqatilu, tuqatilani, yuqatilna,
Hmm.
tuqatilu, tuqatilani, tuqatiluna,
Hmm.
tuqatilina, tuqatilani, tuqatilna,
Tilna.
tuqatilna,
Hmm.
tuqatilu, nuqatilu.
Excellent. Because the ta is the an kalma here. So remember that the haraka on the ta is very, very important. It will change the word if we mix it up,
Mm.
right? Jazakallah khair. Masdar, we know that we haven't done the conjugation of yet. Muqatilun. Right. So this is isme file. Which conjugation will it follow?
Muslim church.
Muslim chart.
Yes. Can somebody do the common Muslim chart?
Muqatilun, muqatilun, muqatilan, muqatilin,
Hmm.
muqatilani, muqatilaini, muqatilaini, muqatiluna, muqatilina, muqatilina.
Excellent.
Right?
Yes.
Muqatilun, muqatilatan, muqatilatin,
Hmm.
muqatilatani, muqatilataini, muqatilataini,
Hmm.
muqatilatun, muqatilatin, muqatilatin.
Excellent. And proper Muslim chart?
Can I do this?
Sure, sure.
Al-muqatilu, al-muqatila, al-muqatili,
Hmm.
al-muqatilani, al-muqatilaini, al-muqatilaini,
Hmm.
al-muqatiluna, al-muqatilina, al-muqatilina,
Mm-hmm.
al-muqatilatu, al-muqatilata, al-muqatilati,
Excellent.
al-muqatilat, al-muqatilat,
Tani.
al-muqatila,
Tani.
Tani, al-muqatilataini, al-muqatilataini,
Excellent.
al-muqatilatu, al-muqatilati, al-muqatilati.
Excellent. Okay. So can somebody do the light Muslim chart?
I will do this.
Sure.
Muqatilu, muqatila, muqatili, muqatila, muqatilai, muqatilai, muqatilu, muqatili, muqatili, muqatilatu, muqatilata, muqatilati, muqatilata, muqatilatai, muqatilatai, muqatilatu, muqatilati, muqatilati.
Excellent. Jazakallahu khairan kathiran kathiran. Okay. So our active line conjugation are done, alhamdulillah. And now can somebody do the passive, past passive conjugation, please? We have only one volunteer today, huh?
Okay. Kutila.
Uh-huh.
Kutila, kutilu,
Hmm.
kutilat, kutilata, kutilna,
Excellent.
kutilta, kutiltuma, kutiltum, kutilti, kutiltuma, kutiltinna,
Tunna.
kutiltunna, ana kutiltu, nahnu kutilna.
Excellent. Okay, just one thing. You did the conjugation completely correct, but in reciting it again, see, when we have qatala, the family one, the past passive is qutila, right? In family one. And this is qutila. Because
Okay.
of this vowels, you have to stretch it. Otherwise, what
It's
you
same
are
like
doing is that the family three is hearing, I'm hearing what I'm hearing, this.
mhm,
I know you are doing this one,
mhm,
Qutila. So
mhm.
that's why Tajweed is so important in that sense, that if we don't get it right, like if I say Qutila to this and Qutila, so they will make one word. And
Okay.
the listener won't be able to see or in their mind or recognize that you are using family three. They will be
Okay.
saying that you're using family one. And
Mhm.
there is a difference between the meanings of family one and family
Family
three,
3. Okay.
right? Family one is to kill, and family three is to fight,
Fight. Okay.
right? So
Mhm,
this, when you do the conjugation, just keep this in mind that
mhm,
the family three has a vowel mad, right?
mhm,
This is what we
mhm,
call it in Tajweed. So now
mhm.
when I do the conjugation, I will have to stretch the oo sound. So it
Okay.
will be qutila,
Kutila,
qutila, qutilu, right?
Okay.
Qutilat, in that sense.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Otherwise,
Jazakallah.
you did correct. All the endings were perfect.
Mhm,
Jazakallah.
Jazakallah.
Okay. Then yuqatilu, what will be the past present? Sorry, passive present.
Who are will be there? Qatalu.
Yuqatalu.
Yes, a sound. The n kalma will have a fatha. That is, or all that is different between the past, sorry, present active and present passive. Yuqatalu. Okay, and this is a stretch again, right? So this will be alif here, so we will have to stretch it. Okay, can somebody do the conjugation for present passive?
Yuqatalu. Yuqatalani. Yuqataluna. Tuqatalu. Tuqatalani. Yak. Yak. Yaktal.
Yuqa.
Yuqatalna.
Excellent.
Tuqatalu.
Hmm.
Tuqatalani.
Hmm.
Tuqatalna.
Taluna.
Tuqataluna. Tuqatalina.
Hmm.
Tuqatalani.
Excellent.
Tuqatalna.
Excellent.
Uqtalu and
Uqa.
nuqtalu.
Uqa.
Uqata for Yemen. Uqatalu and nuqatalu.
Yes, excellent. So the middle part, in because of course in the present tense, the beginning is constantly changing, right? And also the ending is constantly changing. So the only thing that we need to keep the same is the middle part, right? Otherwise, the rest is all changing together. Excellent. Jazakallah.
Jazakallah.
Okay. Then we have the masdar again. So qitalan, we will just copy paste it here, right? This will be the same. Okay. Then we have the eighth word. What is the eighth word?
Maful.
Exactly. Isme maful. And from yuqatalu, because this is made from the present passive, yuqatalu, what will it be?
Mukhatalu.
Yes.
Replace
Muqa.
talun.
Exactly. We'll replace the U with the mu. The N kalma will have a fatha. It already has here. So we don't need to change it. And there is a tanween at the end. Muqatalun, right? Okay.
Hmm.
So now can somebody do the Muslim conjugation common?
Okay. We'll do this. Muqatalu, muqatala. Oh, sorry.
No, on.
Muqatalun,
Yes.
muqatalun, muqatalan, muqatalin,
Hmm.
muqatalani, muqatalaini, muqatalaini,
Mm-hmm.
muqataluna, muqatalina, muqatalina,
Mm-hmm.
and muqatalatun, muqatalatan, muqatalatin,
Hmm.
muqatalani, muqatalataini, muqatalataini,
Hmm.
muqatalatun, muqatalatin, muqatalatin.
Excellent. And the proper chart?
Okay.
Al-Muqatalu, Al-Muqatala, Al-Muqatali, Al-Muqatalani, Al-Muqatalini, Al-Muqatalin,
Yes.
Al-Muqataluna, Al-Muqatalina, Al-Muqatalina,
No, Lina.
Lina, Al-Muqatalina, Al-Muqatalina,
Hmm.
Al-Muqatalatu,
Hmm.
Al-Muqatalati, Al-Muqatalata. Am I doing right?
Yes. Yes. Just don't
Al-Muqatalati.
stretch the la.
Yeah,
Don't
it's
stretch
just
the la, right?
Al-Muqatalata,
Huh?
like this.
Yes.
Al-Muqatalati,
Hmm.
Al-Muqatalatani, Al-Muqatalatini, Al-Muqatalatini,
Hmm.
Al-Muqatalatu,
Hmm.
Al-Muqatalatati,
T. Yes.
Al-Muqatalati.
Excellent, right? So because if we stretch the lam, then what we are essentially doing is muqatalatu. And this is not a word, right? This is not a word in the surface of it. So that's why we cannot stretch this lam and add an alif to it. It will not be the isme maf'ul anymore. Okay? The rest is fine. Jazakallah khair. Can somebody do the light chart?
Muqatalatu,
Muqatalu, start with the masculine.
okay. Muqatalu, muqatala, muqatali,
Hmm.
muqatala, muqatalai, muqatalai,
Hmm.
muqatalu, muqatali, muqatali.
Excellent.
Feminine. Muqatalatu, muqatalata, muqatalati, muqatalata, muqatalatai, muqatalatai, muqatalat, muqatalat, muqatalatu,
Yes.
muqatalati.
Excellent. Muqatalati. Exactly. Jazakillahu khair. So more than half of our conjugation is done. Muqatalun was our isme maf'ul. And what is the next line?
Wal amru minhu.
Yes, wal amru minhu. So again, we go to yuqatilu.
Qatilu.
Okay. Then what do we do?
Replace mudari ta.
Hmm.
Qatilu.
Make it light.
Make it lightest. And remove the ta. Till remove ta.
Can we read this?
Yes.
Yes.
Till
Okay. And what will be the conjugation of qatil?
Till
six. Qatil, qatila, qatilu, qatili, qatila, qatilna.
Excellent. Jazakillah khair. So that is simple. We only have 3 words to that conjugation. So your wal amru minhu qatil.
Wallahi anhu.
Yes, our next word is wan nahiyu anhu.
La
Again, we start with yuqatil. Then,
Replace mudari with ta.
yes, tuqatilu. Yes,
Made it lightest.
tuqatil.
Put a la.
and then we add the la. So la tuqatil, right? Okay. Can somebody do the conjugation of la tuqatil?
لا تقاتل لا تقاتلا لا تقاتلوا لا تقاتلي لا تقاتلا لا تقاتلنا.
Excellent. Jazakallahu khair. Okay. And we are left with our last word. And what is that?
اسم ظرف
وَالظَّرْفُ مِنْهُ. What will be the zarf?
اسم
Same.
مفعول مقاتل.
Yes. Muqatalun. So, alhamdulillah, the same way we did the jahada, we did the whole conjugation from qatala without having to memorize, just following the rules and the method and the process of making each word from either past active or present active. So, alhamdulillah, we are done with this. So, any questions in this?
Like simple doubt, sister.
Sorry?
I want to know in the
Yes.
Muslim chart of Isma File and Isma Maf'ul, when
Mhm.
it's the common, proper, and light, does the meaning changes or it remains the same?
A common, proper, and light the Muslim. Okay, let's see that. So let's take the Mujahidun, right? The Isme file from family 3, Mujahidun. So Mujahidun is a masculine, right? A male who struggles, right? Or strives. Then we do al-mujahidu. Now this is common, right? Now the proper is al-mujahidu. So this will be the male who struggles or strives, right? Now with the light we will say male who struggles. Why? Because mujahidu, it's neither common
Not
or
proper.
proper by itself, right? What will decide what it is common or proper will be what comes before or after it. So for example, one of the light reason is mudaf, right? And we know the type of mudaf depends on the mudaf ilay. So if the mudaf ilay is common, then we will translate it like this. And if the mudaf ilay is proper, we will translate it like this.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
ठीक
Okay.
है ना? So by itself, you won't be able to translate it with the a or the, common or proper. The meaning, the core meaning will remain the same. Just the type we will have to decide in the context it will be used in.
Alhamdulillah, sister.
Why, yeah. Why, yeah. So, yeah, so that is that. Any other question? Okay. So, practice words can be nafaka for this family, right? Like for family 2, allama, you could have farraqa as a practice word. Then you could have kadhaba that we did yesterday, right? Then you can have, what else can you have? Let's see. Fattaha. I think if I don't know, I don't remember it being there. Wait, I sent the documents with the practice word. let's see if I can find it so that you can have the practice words here. And that is family, groups within families is okay. I don't have the practice words in this document. I think it was the process of surface Saghir that had it. Okay, here. Let me just open it. Yes, here we go. So we have okay. Kadhaba kabbara. Leave the fataha because I'm not sure if family 2 comes from this. Kabbara. Then you have qaddara. So you can make conjugation, the whole surface Saghir from this process that we did yesterday. From jahada, family 3 jahada, you can have like nafaqa, right? We did qatala today. Then you can do safara to travel. Then it is raqaba, and then just shahada, right? So you can do the conjugation for family 3 practice with all of these words. These 3 and this one we haven't done. So you can do these for practice, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So inshallah tomorrow we will continue with family 4, and then we will see the group similarities between these 3 families, inshallah. And then we will start with the next group. Okay. So we'll end the recording here. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله